Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be reviewing BlockFi's crypto credit card and let you guys know what I think of it. So, BlockFi is generally known as a lending and borrowing crypto service for people to take out collateralized loans and to earn interest on their deposits of crypto. So, their credit card offers 1.5% cashback paid in Bitcoin, 3.5% Bitcoin back for months 4 to 6 of card ownership, up to $100. So, that's only like 3 months, and you can only earn up to $100 with that 3.5%. And 2% extra APY on your stablecoin balance in BlockFi, paid in Bitcoin, up to $200 of Bitcoin, and 0.25% back paid in Bitcoin on trades up to a maximum of $500 in Bitcoin and each month. Then you also get a $250 Bitcoin sign-up bonus if you spend $3,000 within your first 3 months, and $30 in Bitcoin for every client referral on top of the base refer a friend program. So to get the $250 Bitcoin sign-up bonus, you must spend at least $1,000 a month. Also, the extra $30 in Bitcoin for referrals sounds to me like it means you get the initial regular amount for referring someone, and then on top of that, the extra $30 for having the credit card as well. So the card does have an annual fee of $300, which for me is personally the only thing making me not want to get it, as I personally know that I would not spend $1,000 a month on it personally to get the $250 sign-up bonus, because if you did, then it's basically a $50 a year card. So where can I go down here? So one cool feature is that your Bitcoin rewards is transferred to your BlockFi interest account monthly, and it starts accruing interest immediately. Also, it's going to be metal just like the Crypto.com debit card, and here's a page that actually goes over a lot of more details on the rewards and the possibilities of how much money you can earn per year in Bitcoin with it. I'll put this link in the description for you guys to go check out. I did a comparison with this BlockFi credit card compared to the Ruby Red debit card from Crypto.com, as we can see that the BlockFi card is $100 cheaper than the Ruby Red, considering the Ruby Red will soon cost $400. But you also have to remember that BlockFi's credit card fees is yearly, while the Ruby Red has a one-time payment of just $400. So in a sense, the Ruby Red is still cheaper with how much it costs, because it's one-time fee and that's it. Also, based on their examples right down here, scenario 1 and scenario 2, we can see that the BlockFi credit card will make $194.04 more than the Ruby Red with scenario 1. And in scenario 2, the BlockFi credit card will make $254.12 more than the Ruby Red in 1 year. Although if you were to compare the Jade Green or Royal Indigo, then Crypto.com has them easily beat. The extra 1% and 100% back on Netflix beats out these total bonus rewards of $750 a year and $1,250 a year in Bitcoin. You'd make more than that on the Jade Green and Royal Indigo debit card. Obviously, though, this is a credit card, so maybe if you don't have that much money to spend and you're relying on a credit card monthly, it may be beneficial for you to have this card. For me, I do have credit cards, but I try to get ones without any annual fees because I don't like to pay that much fees. That's why I really like the crypto debit card, because of how great of benefits it gives, and there's like really no fees with the actual card. So overall, what do I think of the credit card? So I personally have the Fold Premium debit card, the Icy White Crypto.com debit card, and the Steel debit card from Swipe. And the Fold Premium card is actually $150 a year, and so that's half the price of BlockFi's. And as I usually try to avoid annual fees, I decided I would try it this one time. So the Fold Premium debit card is the first time I ever paid an annual fee for any type of card. So far, I'm really liking it, and I think I already beat out the $150 fee within like the first 4 months or 5 months. So yeah. Okay, so I could see myself getting BlockFi's credit card if I ever needed money that I don't have, right? Like, can I go to Credit Cards Forward to borrow money and pay it back later? But it would be hard for me to justify getting this card because I try to use my crypto debit cards as much as possible, like the Fold one. If I'm not using the Fold one, I'm using the ICY, and I don't have the physical Steel debit card from Swipe, so I just use it for reimbursements online. for the like Netflix, Spotify, and all that. So I'm not sure that I would be able to take advantage of all the perks that this card has to offer. So it might not be worth it for me, as I may not beat out the fees. Because I already know I wouldn't spend $1,000 a month, so I wouldn't get the sign up bonus. And yeah, so I don't know if it would really benefit me. So let me know what your guys' opinions are on this card. Let me know down in the comment section. Are you planning on getting the BlockFi credit card? Do you think it's a waste of money, or what exactly are your thoughts? All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.